Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite in this set, which is this one, the Datsun 240Z. And this comes under the Hot Car series and this is by Hot Wheels. So I really want to unbox this. Let's get to it. I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. Okay. Okay, let me show you the card art once. Even the card art looks really beautiful on this particular one. Let me just put this aside. Let's get to the casting now. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely dreamy and gorgeous. So I really want to give this to my wife because you know looks the it is I think this is Sakura if I'm not wrong. So it looks absolutely gorgeous. And even the windshield, even the blue tinted windshield, it goes really well with this particular casting. Even the rims with that that kind of, I don't know, chromed out blue, I guess. So it has kind of this dual tone, you can see it, right? That actually matches well with this casting, along with that windshield as well. So this says T here. I don't know what this here is supposed to spell out. If you guys know, please put that in comments. I'll pin it. So let's talk about rest of the things. So the livery looks absolutely gorgeous, along with the paint job on this one, so awesome. And see, they don't have any headlight details. Let's see if it has any tail light detail. Okay, there is nothing here. Okay, the paint job is really good. It is a mild glittery pink paint job along with this livery on this one. This looks so awesome. I think I do have one more car with this kind of similar livery, not exactly this one. I bought this during my visit to Dubai back then. I'm talking about 2 years back, 2.5 years back. So I never unboxed those actually. Those are from a 5 pack. I think that is from um, Hot Car or Flame series. I don't, not Flame. That is some. There's one more pack. I don't remember it now. I need to see whether it's a Hot Car series. I think so. So I do have that. That entire set looks so beautiful. At least I will showcase that someday. So with that said, the interior looks really nice. Looks really beautiful. Okay, it has this hood detailing here. That is also really nice. It has grill details here. Everything is embossed. Nothing is painted. Just painted on. Everything is embossed and it is just painted on the same color. Actually, it looks beautiful. So only thing is it doesn't have any headlight or tail light details. Okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The chassis actually has some level of detailing to it, including the exhaust detailing here. That is really nice. It is very well pronounced if you ask me compared to other cars exhaust details. I really like that. Wow, that even this looks really nice. They really did very well on this one. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 25 to 26. Wow, 34 grams. I didn't expect that, to be honest. It actually felt very weightless. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it is smooth. It rolls really well. I really love that, the trims on the wheels. It is kind of shifting the color a little bit. And it matches with this windshield here. But up close, it looks a bit different. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is not really that noticeable if you are playing with it, and it rolls really well and it is smooth. Okay, let's rate this casting. So seriously, this is one of the casting like that, that Ford or even the Mazda, the one which you don't want to reduce any points, but they did, they didn't miss out this detailing on both sides. See, in original car, this is supposed to be like, the headlights are supposed to be inside, right? So even in the car that you can see that they could have just put some kind of at least a silver paint job or even this white color, because that would have looked really cool. So for that I'm taking out 0.5 out of 10. So 9.5 out of 10. But this casting is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are able to get this one, please go ahead and get this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.